This is my short trick of derivatives and मैंने पिछले 20 वीडियो में उसी बात में बोला था how you can do the short method of any derivative. Today this is part 2 and here I am giving one example. This is in u by v method. Suppose this is x square plus 1 to the power 3 by 2 sec to the power 4 sin inverse x square ln sec x. How you can differentiate it within 5 to 10 seconds, but you should not do it in the exam, but your answer can be verified by this process. Now let us observe what is the answer. First, it is in many functions are there. Which types of function? I am not telling the exponential functions except exponential function. I am telling inverse, derivation, logarithmic, algebra, trigonometry. Okay, any functions will be there except exponential, and I will tell for exponential in another example. Now look at, in this type of things you should do what? Dy by dx is y whole into first you have to write y here and you have to bring forth the powers to the front. It is 3 by 2. Then whatever it may be, you should write 1 by this. Then the derivative. Remark what I am doing. The power coming to the front position, then 1 by sec x, then derivative of sec x. For the numerator part, it is positive. For the denominator part, it is negative. What is that? Look at here. The power coming to the front side, then 1 by what? 1 by sine inverse x. So I am rewriting it as 2 is coming front into 1 by this into derivative of sine inverse x, that is 1 by 1 minus x square. Okay, before this it is minus because the denominator side will give the minus sign. Then ln sec x, what will happen? This is minus 1 by, what is its power? Its power is what? 1. So 1 by 1 into what? 1 by this part, 1 by ln sec x, into derivative of what? Into derivative of 1 by ln sec x into derivative of ln sec x. What is that? 1 derivative ln sec x is 1 by sec x into derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. Okay, this is the formula, this is the short trick, but you should know, we should know how it comes like this. This is the example, but this is how it comes. Suppose y is equal to u to the power a, v to the power b, w to the power c, z to the power d, then what we are doing? We are taking ln to both sides, log to both sides. Ln y is equal to ln numerator minus ln denominator. As you know, ln of numerator by ln of numerator by denominator is ln numerator minus ln denominator. And for this, what you write? ln u to the power a plus ln v to the power b, log ab, ln ab is equal to ln a plus ln b minus what? ln w to the power c plus ln z to the power d, and that is come to the front side, so it is minus ln wc minus ln z to the power d. Now this is ln y. Ln y is equal to what? This a will come to the front, it is a ln u, it is b ln v, it is c ln w, it is d ln z. Now differentiating, what will happen? 1 by y dy by dx minus a, what is derivative ln u? 1 by u du by dx. Similarly for others. Now look at the answer. What I am doing is here. The trick is that The final answer is y. This y will multiply y whole into a. Look at here. A is coming to front side into u. It is 1 by u. A into 1 by u. A into 1 by u. That is a by u. Into derivative of du by dx. Derivative of this part u. Similarly, b by v into derivative v. Similarly, c by w, derivative of w. And here it is minus will be there. Similarly, d by z into derivative of z. Similarly, I am doing this. 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 by x square plus 1. That is 3 by 2 into x square plus 1. Derivative x square plus 1. 2x. Similarly, here 4 by sec x into derivative sec x. For denominator, it is minus 2 by sin inverse u into derivative sin inverse u. Similarly, power 1 by ln sec x, 1 by 1. 1 by, I am not writing it. It is 1 by ln sec x into what? Derivative of ln sec x, 1 by sec x into sec x tan x. Okay? Suppose in this example y is equal to x square plus 1 to the power 5 sec x to the power 4 e to the power sin x. I am introducing this exponential function and ln sec x. Similarly, you will do y whole into 5 by x square plus 1 derivative x square plus 1 2x 4 by sec x into derivative sec x tan x. For the denominator part, you have to take minus sign, and for particularly for e to the power case exponential function, that is this, you should take only the derivative of sin x, only the derivative of the exponential part. You should not remark any other thing. You should take the derivative of the exponential part in case of e to the power minus, and you know it is 1 by ln sec x into derivative of is 1 by sec x into sec x tan x. For suppose if it is 2 to the power sin x, then what will happen? Suppose it is 2 to the power sin x, then what will happen? You should write cos x into ln 2. In this case, you have to write what? Cos x into ln 2 minus cos x. Into first you have to write ln 2. First write this ln 2, then ln 2, then derivative sin x. ln 2 into derivative sin x is what? Cos x. Okay. For 2 to the power sin x you will do. For e to the power sin x you have to write only cos x. Okay. Now trick number 2. If y is equal to a fx plus b by c fx plus d, then dy by dx is the determinant of a, b, c, d into f dash x by c fx plus d whole square. This is very trick method. Look at here. And you should know, whatever you should write here, there should be, that function should be in denominator. Numerator, denominator, same function. And some constant will multiply it plus b, some constant multiply fx plus d. Then the answer is this. Let us, I am giving one example. Example 1, what is y is equal to 3x square plus 8 by 2x square plus 7. And its derivative, you should not do it. You just write the determinant of 3, 8, 2, 7 into derivative of x square, that function numerator denominator is x square into 2x divided by denominator whole square, that is 2x plus 7 whole square. And if you will open it, it becomes 21 minus 5, 21 minus 16, that is 5 into 2x 10x by this. It is not a very great thing. It is very easy thing. Look at that, how it comes. Its explanation is there. U by v. Just applying the u by v derivative method. V derivative of u. V means c fx plus d. Derivative of u means a f dash x minus u derivative of v. A fx plus b derivative v is c f dash x by c fx plus d whole square. When you open it, it becomes what? AD minus BC whole into this SC fx, SC f dash x and here AC f dash x. They will cancel. Will remain AD f dash x, BC f dash x. AD minus BC f dash x by CX plus CFX plus B whole square. It becomes A, B, C, D determinant value into f dash x by Cx plus B whole square, or simply AD minus BC. It is AD minus BC in AD minus BC into f dash x by Cfx plus D whole square. Okay, I am doing another example. Now example 2, y is equal to 4 e to the power sin x minus 5 by 2 plus e to the power sin x. You have to arrange like this. So you have to put write 4 e to the power sin x plus minus 5 divided by e to the power sin x to the come to the front. 1 into e to the power sin x plus 2. Now look at it. It is in this format. E to the power sin x, e to the power sin x. A, C, 4, 1, B, D, minus 5, 2. Then the result is what? You just multiply 4 into 2 plus, 4 into 2 minus 1 into minus 5. Ultimately it is 13 into what? Into derivative of fx. What is derivative of e to the power sin x? That is e to the power sin x into cos x divided by the whole square of the denominator. That is e to the power sin x plus 2 whole square. Okay. It is short trick 3 and I have already told you in my previous video. Are puru kina udi gala boni. Y is equal to fx to the power fx to the power fx to the power dot 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 dot. Then what you will do directly you can write the answer dy by dx square. I prefer this. There are two formulas, 1 and 2, but I prefer this. Y square, simply y square by 1 minus ln y into f dash x by fx. Suppose this is sin x to the power sin x to the power sin x dot 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 dot. What is the answer? Answer is y square. This whatever you write here, you should write its square. So y square 1 minus ln y, 1 minus ln y into f dash x. Here fx is what? Fx is sin x. So f dash x is cos x. Cos x by fx. Fx means sin x. Or dy by dx is equal to. There is another formula. You write y square here, but 1 minus you should write y ln fx. Y ln fx, it's remain as it is f dash x by fx. So 1 minus ln y or 1 minus y ln fx. This is similarly y square 1 minus y. You will write y ln fx means ln sin x into cos x by sin x. And how it comes? It's you should know about it. So y is equal to what? Fx to the power fx to the power fx dot dot dot. So I will write y is equal to fx to the power what? This is y. So I am writing y is equal to fx to the power of y. And ln y is what? Y will come ln fx. Now apply differentiate both sides. It becomes what? 1 by y dy by dx. Product rule apply. Y derivative of ln fx 1 by fx derivative of fx is f dash x. Then plus it's plus ln fx into derivative of y is dy by dx, and this is dy by dx, this is dy by dx. If we will come to one side, it becomes 1 by y minus ln fx. 1 by y minus ln fx into dy by dx is equal to y into f dash x by fx. This is what? 1, if we will take LCM, it is y. 1 minus y ln fx into dy by dx is equal to y into f dash x by fx. Then dy by dx is what? Well, if we multiply this y, it becomes y square and it go to the denominator. 1 minus y ln fx into f dash x by fx. And you will write y square 1 minus y. What is ln fx? I am putting here box y ln fx. Y ln fx, in place of y ln fx you can write ln y into f dash x by fx. This is the explanation. This is the formula, you have to remember it, and that is the explanation. Suppose I am doing another. Suppose I am doing sin x to the power, I am doing example 2 directly here. Look at me. y is equal to x to the power x to the power x dot 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 dot. Then dy by dx is what? You can write it y square by 1 minus ln y into f dash x. Means here fx is what? Fx is x, f dash x means 1 by fx. 1 by. Simple answer. Very simple. You can verify, or if you write in this manner, no necessity. There are two methods. That is y square by what? 1 minus y. We will write y. In place of y, you should not write anything. ln fx. ln fx means ln x into what? 1 by x. Okay? Whatever you can write. This is trick number 3. Suppose y is equal to fx plus dot 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 root over in this format. Just write the formula. dy by dx is 1 by 2y minus 1 into f dash x. Okay. Suppose I am giving one example. Y is equal to sin x plus sin x root over and it is going into infinite. Then the answer is 1 by 2y minus 1 into derivative of sin x. Derivative of here fx is sin x, derivative sin x is cos x. How it comes? It's explanation. Suppose y is this. What is y square? You will take the first root over. It becomes fx plus whatever it may be. That is y. So y square is equal to fx plus y. Then after differentiating, it becomes what? 2y dy by dx. And derivative of x is f dash x plus derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. This implies, if we come to one side, it becomes 2y minus 1 into dy by dx is what? F dash x. What is dy by dx? It is 1 by 2y minus 1 into f dash x. Okay? That is 1 by 2y minus 1 into f dash x. This is trick 5. Y is equal to 1 by fx plus 1 by fx plus 1 by fx dot dot dot, like this manner. The formula is dy by dx is equal to minus y f dash x by 2y plus fx. Suppose I am giving one example here. Y is equal to 1 by ln x plus 1 by ln x plus dot 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 dot. Then dy by dx is equal to minus y into f dash x. F dash x, fx is what? ln x. So f dash x is what? 1 by x divided by 2y plus fx is what? ln x. Similarly, example 2, y is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by x plus dot 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 dot. Here fx is equal to x and the answer is what? Minus y into f dash x. Fx is x, then f dash x is what? 1 divided by 2y plus fx. 2y plus fx. Fx is here x. And how it comes? That is important. Y is equal to 1 by fx plus 1 by fx plus dot 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 dot. This is what? 1 by fx. I am writing this part as my y because the same thing here repeated in this case. Y is equal to 1 by fx plus 1 by fx plus 1 by fx. 1 हट गया तो दूसरा क्या हुआ? 1 by fx plus y हुआ ना. So multiply y fx y into fx plus y into y square is equal to 1. Differentiate both sides. Y f dash x plus fx into dy by dx plus it is 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. Now here f dash x y f dash x 2y here I am taking dy by dx. Here fx dy by dx, 2y dy by dx. Take common fx plus 2y dy by dx. Taking to that side, it becomes minus y into f dash x. Now dy by dx is what? Minus y f dash x by fx plus 2y by 2y plus fx. I am writing here with the explanation. Okay? And this is the explanation of video number 20, which I have given you the formula dy by dx is equal to minus fx by fy. That is treating y as constant in numerator and treating x as constant for denominator. And you should go through the video number 20, which I have told the short tricks, another two short tricks method. But I am explaining it how it comes. At that time I have not told you. Suppose fxy0 is this is the trick. This is the trick. dy by dx is equal to minus fx by fy. This is the formula. But explanation is it is a little above standard than you, but you should know. It is when you read higher classes you will know it very clearly. Y is equal to, suppose, function of xy. Suppose I am here, it is function of it is x, y. Here it is I am taking u as the function, and if I will do with respect to t, what will happen? d by dt of u, that is d by dt of fxy. Then first you have to differentiate partially. Del f by del x into dx by this dt into del f by del y into this dy by what? Dt. I am telling it again. Dy by dt is what? Del f by del x into dx by dt. That dt is here. Del x dx. They will not cancel, but looking like that manner, you should think like that manner. Plus del f by del y into dy by dt. Now, if I will do, if fxy is 0, I am taking d by dx. Here I am taking d by dt. Here I am taking d by dx of fxy. It becomes what? Del f by del x into dx by dx plus del f by del y into dy by dx, and it becomes what? dy by dx, d by dx by dx, it is 1, and del f by del x it is written as fx, it is written as fy, it is dy by dx is 0, so dy by dx is 0 minus del f minus fx by fy. Now for y is equal to u to the power v, that is variable to the power variable. I have told you in my previous explanation of what? Video number 20. It is the explanation of video number 20. At that time I told you what? I told you keep v here, u to the power v minus 1, and first you think this is a constant, so v u to the power v minus 1 derivative u. Then you think this is constant. Suppose, sorry, this is constant. A to the power v, u to the power v, ln a, here ln u into dv by dx. It is very simple. Y is equal to u to the power v. Take ln to both sides. It becomes this. Then differentiate both sides. Applying product rule here. It becomes 1 by y dy by dx. V derivative ln u plus ln u derivative v. Derivative ln u is 1 by u du by dx. Ln u derivative by dv by dx. Now what is dy by dx? Just multiply y. Y into v by u into du by dx plus u y into ln u by into dv by dx. Now in place of y, we have to write u to the power v into v by u into du by dx plus in place of y I am writing u to the power v ln u dv by dx. Now keep v front position, u to the power v minus 1 du by dx plus u to the power v ln u into dv by dx. It is the explanation. Till now I have uploaded 39 videos, out of which 6 on continuity and 10 videos on inverse trigonometry functions, and rest 23 videos on derivatives. And I am giving you 100% assurance that this is where the method which I have done the problems is very shortcut method. It will save your time. After learning these videos, I assure you that you will be the master in mathematics and you will know better than me. Okay? Thank you.